Hey everyone, can you solve these types of problems without doing any mistakes? Hey everyone, can you solve these types of simplifications without doing any mistakes? Who is confused about the answers? Someone will get different answers, someone will get the same answer. So you are at the right place. Today I am going to explain you how to solve a BODMAS problem in the easiest way and without doing any mistake. Let's simplify the problem. Before going for a simplification, first we should know what is BODMAS. BODMAS means bracket. You may have open close bracket, then flower bracket, then square bracket. First we should do open close, then after that square bracket. Then half means, so they will clearly mention their half or they will give order of operations like exponents, surds will be there. So first we need to solve that. Then after that division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Here we need to remember, first we should solve the order of operations. First division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Means addition comes first, after that let's solve the problem. So this is the problem. If you observe here, most of the students where you will do the mistake, that I will explain here. First they will write 1200, then after that division is there, they will make it as multiplication, then 2 by 3 will become 3 by 2, then half is multiplied by 9. So like that they will write. Then 2 6 right, then 6 3s are 18,800, then multiplied by 9. Then 89s are 162. This is not your answer, right? So this is not the correct way to solve the BODMAS problem. This is wrong. Means we didn't follow order of operations. Let's come to here. So if you observe the expression, we have half first, right? Then division. See, observe here, BODMAS. First we should go with half. Then we should go with division. Okay, then write 1200 and 2 by 3 same as it is. This half means multiply by 9, or you can write half also. 3 1s are 3 3s are, right? 1200, 2 3s are 6. Then it's like a form of division, right? 6 2s are, then 200. So this is our answer. So while solving BODMAS, you always remember the order of operation. Means first which operation you need to follow. You can just remember as BODMAS. First division, after that addition, multiplication and subtraction, right? Let's move on to next type of expression. So this expression, if you observe all of 7 is there, so you have mixed of brackets, division, multiplication, everything is there. So you observe here. According to BODMAS, first we go with bracket. So in the bracket we have a square brackets. In the square bracket, first we should solve open and close bracket. In the open and close bracket, we have operations first. Means first we need to simplify the operations, then we can remove the brackets, then we can go to the next brackets, right? If you observe the problem, here we have a division first, after that we have addition, right? So 7 divides 7 is 1, so can I write directly 1? Yes. Then 7 plus 1, 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 is multiplied with this 7, right? Then 8 7s are 56. This number you need to add here. 56 plus 7 is 63. So this part done. Then after the brackets, here we have 7 divided by 7. Here also don't add this to 7. First do division first according to the BODMAS. See, 7 by 7 means 1. So can I write here plus 1? 63 plus 1 is 64. So this is the correct way to solve the BODMAS problem or simplify any of the expression. See, where you will do the mistake, most of the student, so after multiplying here, directly they will add 7. No, first we should completely solve the brackets. Then after that, whatever the number or whatever the expression is there, then we can deal with other numbers. Is it right? If this video helped you, hit the like button, share it with your friends and family and subscribe for more math like this. See you in the next video. Till then, keep clarifying.